Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Pat McGrath Labs eyeshadow palette. And this is the Mothership Browns palette. And this is how the packaging looks. This is how it came. And this is the back of it. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I did swatch the colors already on my hands, but I haven't applied the eyeshadow onto my lids. This is how the inside looks. And then when you take the palette out, we have the names, and it's on like a piece of paper. And those are all the eyeshadow names. And this is the packaging of the palette. And then we have the back, which is like type of like a gold mirror reflection. And it's like a really, and it's like kind of heavy. This palette does retail for $125. I do not have any other Pat McGrath eyeshadow palette. I've been really wanting to get one, and when this one came out, I really liked the colors. It's really like ready for like fall type of colors, so I really did like the colors. That's why I decided to pick it up. Also, they do have a payment plan, so if you don't want to pay upfront the $125, they do have a payment plan, and if you qualify for it, I think if the payments are like each month, they'll be like $40 or like $50. It depends, until you pay off the $125 for the palette. So it's not really that bad if you don't want to spend all that money up front. I'm going to start off swatching the colors for you, and I'm just gonna go by row. So first row and then second row. Here we have the first row. And this is the second row, and this shade right here is super pretty. It's like super glittery. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and do the eyeshadow look, and I'm going to go ahead and zoom you guys into the eye. For the transition shade, I'm going to go and use this shade right here. I'm going to deepen up the lid with this shade right here. And so far I'm not getting any fallout with these eyeshadows. I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm using the shade Light Sand. I'm just gonna apply this to the middle of the lid. Okay, so now that I have that done, I am going to take, let's see, I'm going to take this really nice pink shade. I'm going to apply this to the middle is really pretty, and the pigment is like really good. This brush isn't even wet and it's picking it up really well. I'm gonna use this shade right here and put this on the outer corner. This shade for the inner corner. That is so pretty. Okay, so now that I have those colors done, I'm going to take this really nice purple shade and I'm going to just deepen up the look with this shade right here on the outer corner. And then also deepen up the inner corner. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with the really nice gold shade and put this back on. I'm gonna blend this in with that shade that we just put in. So now that I have this eye done, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the eyeshadow to my other eye, and I'm gonna apply some eyeliner and some lashes and the rest of the makeup on, and I will link I will put the details in the description box of what products that I use, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I am back and this is the finished look. I did apply this shade right here to the brow bone and also on the inner corner. And I'm assuming you guys in this is the finished eye look that I did. And I did if you have seen my video from before, my last video which was the gingerbread palette, I did have I forgot what her name was, but she did mention to put, like, when I apply my eyelashes on, to apply like eyeliner on top of it so like it won't look like white or like the eyeshadow picked up on the line, and it actually works. But yeah, thank you for that. And so yeah, this is the finished eye look. So for the palette, I really do like it. The shades are super pretty. Some of the shimmers, so like with these last ones, like this one's right here, these last three, they're like more like glitter than they're not like chunky, but it's like more like of a shimmer and it's like really glittery. Those three are my favorite out of the whole palette. This red one's really nice as well. This red one is super pretty. The mattes, they work really good. I didn't have trouble blending out the mattes. I did notice that I didn't have to blend as much as I normally would with like different eyeshadow palettes. It blended out really well. I didn't have any problems with the eyeshadow palette. I did notice with the shimmer when I applied it on to where I applied like the concealer, and then when I try to deepen up the color with the purple shades, which I applied on the outer and the inner corner, it kind of like smeared like the shimmer out, and it kind of like brought it all the way up. So now for like the future, I know like with using those shimmers, I'm gonna apply where I want to deepen it up with the mattes first and then apply the shimmers on top. So yeah, just for the future, I know I won't be doing that again, but I really like this eyeshadow palette. I also did highlight with the highlighter palette that they have, and I used this shade right here on my cheekbone, and then also I mixed it with a little bit with this bronzy color. And these shades are really pretty. I'll go ahead and swatch these for you guys. And so that's how this looks. But yeah, I really do like the palette. It is a little, it is pricey. It is $125. But to be honest, I haven't had like any eyeshadows like these last three. They're like super pretty. Like I've never had eyeshadows like these last three. They're just really pretty, and they pick up really well. All the shimmers pick up really well on the brush. Like I didn't have to wet the brush to get it to look how it looks on my lid right now. So definitely I really like this palette. The shimmers were my favorite from this palette. When you do the payment plan, it's not as bad because you're like doing payments. It's not $125 right out of your bank account. But I mean, I really like the palette. It's like the best shimmers that I've had, and I will probably be purchasing more palettes from them. This one was just really, the colors like really grabbed my attention, so that's why I did purchase it. I hope you guys liked this video and review. I will see you in my next video, and thanks for watching.